Hi guys, today I want to share with you Makita router M3600B. The machine is 1650 watt. The collet capacity is 12 mm. The plunge capacity is 0 to 60 mm. The no-load speed is 22,000. Net weight is 5.5 kg and the power supply cord is 2.0 meter. The machine can be connected to dust attraction system with optional dust nozzle. Can be placed upside down when replacing accessories or not in use. Chip deflector protects operator from flying chips and debris. Shaft lock requires one wrench to change beads and conveniently located plunge lock lever for efficient operation. Thanks for watching and please subscribe if you find this video helps.